Welcome, here I've got Honor 7S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. Here let's just simply slide to the right to get access to advanced camera settings and focus on the capture settings. At the first place here we have assistive grid option. When we tap on it we can add 4 kind of grid lines to our camera preview. We have the standard grid, so let me show you this one. And when we go back to the camera we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Let's just slide again now and pick again assistive grid. Let me show you, for example, Fibonacci spiral left. So when we go back to the camera we can see that this is how these lines look like. And remember of course that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery we can't see them. So these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this or when we need the different one we can slide again to the right, pick assistive grid and pick whatever we want. Now let's turn this off, and as you can see they have gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.